Okay. So last week, I think we completed mm, CSS tables. I think last week we completed CSS tables, and today we have come to the last day of the class. Um, how many of you all did upload the practical? Couple of you have done. Okay. Okay. Today, what we're gonna be learning is something called. Okay, you can upload it. You can upload it at the end of the class. It doesn't matter. Mm, so today, what we're gonna learn is something called hyperlinks. Okay, you can get the recording from the website. Also today we'll be having the quiz at around 6:30. I'll tell you about that. So today we are going to be learning about hyperlinks. What a hyperlink is. For example, I'm going to Google and searching something called learn HTML. So when I hit on learn HTML, then there are a couple of links here. So if I click on a link, it takes me to another website. So what is this? This page is a web page. This is a Google search web page. So now when I click on a link on this website, it actually takes me. You can watch the recording and get the code here. So it actually takes you to different website. To do the same in your very own website, first I want you all to create a new file, and I want you all. You can copy the same code from your one of the previous codes and get the HTML structure and give it the name as hyperlinks, and your name. Okay. Then I want you to delete this content, delete the unwanted content over here. Okay, so this should be a structure. I'll give you all time. Let's look at it first. So this should be your structure. So to create a hyperlink, the tag you use is the A tag. This is this is the tag which you use to create a hyperlink. Now if I save this, let me save it again in my folder as I'll save it as Ammaar Ghani and hyperlinks.html. Save. HTML. Okay. I'll save it as Ammaar Ghani hyperlinks. Now if I open the hyperlink tag, I open an A tag and I close the A tag. Now if I save this code, if I saved it and if I opened it in my default viewer, if I open it in my default viewer, you can see nothing here. It's an empty blank page. So now what I'll do, I'll type some text in between. I'll just type, okay, okay, this is a link. This is a link. I'll type something in between the tags and I'll save it. Now let me check the progress. Now you can see there's a text which has actually appeared here. But even though you click the text, it doesn't take you to a different site. Why is that? Why is it like that? It is because you didn't actually tell it where to go. Displaying the text part is perfectly fine. It displays the text called this is a link. But did you tell the tag? to go to a specific link when you clicked on it. So it won't go to that link. So now what I'm going to do is I'll just type google.lk here in my search bar. I'm going to copy this link. I'll copy this link here. And I'll copy this link. I'll go to my code here. And after the opening A tag, I'll write an attribute called href equals open inverted comma, close inverted comma, and between these inverted commas, I'll be pasting this link here. Once I paste this link, now if I go and click on the link, you all can actually see it takes me to google.lk. Do you all understand that part? Or do you all have any questions? This might be a question in today's quiz, so make sure. Okay. So, did you understand the part that to create a hyperlink code, you have to open an A tag. To create a hyperlink, you have to open an A tag and close an A tag. Okay. Now, in this is the basic hyperlink code. Okay, you open a tag, you close a tag. Now this text is there here. This is a link here. To display a text something like that, you enter a text just like between the paragraph text, between the p tags, you enter the paragraph. Just like that, you enter something called this is a link to Google. Let's say a Google in between these tags. Now you have entered something like a paragraph. Now this will function something like a paragraph. Did you understand that part that if we save this code and check it here and refresh it, this will just display a plain and empty text? Okay, perfect. Now to make this link clickable, to make this text clickable, that means if you click on this, it should take you to a different site. To do that, what you have to do is after this A tag, type something called an attribute called href and make it equal. Like we do inline CSS, just open an attribute called href equals open inverted comma and close inverted comma. Then in between these tags, you copy and paste some link you want. You can always copy a link by going to the address bar here. You can always do that. And if you save this, and now if I refresh, I can actually see something to open this. To click. If I click, it takes me to Google. Got that part? Perfect. Now let's say a user is visiting your website, and if the user clicks on this link, you don't want the user to open the web page in the same window. You want the user to open it a new tab. Let's say right click, open link in new tab. You want to do something like this. Every time you click this link, it must take the user to a new tab. So what I'm going to do now is, if I click on this link, rather than loading the web page, loading the link in the same window, I'm going to open it in a different window like this. So to do that, you have to just add a small tweak here. Go to your A tag. After the href tags closing inverted comma, leave a space and type target. Okay, target equals open inverted comma, close inverted comma. Then you type the underscore and blank. You save it. HRI. Now if you come here, if I refresh this page and click on this link, it will open Google's link in a new tab. Did you all get that part? Do you have any questions? Okay, I hope everything is done. Okay, do you all want time to copy this code, or I actually have an assignment for you all to do? What shall we do? Okay, what I want you all to do is, if you all can remember it very well, then you all can just not upload anything. If you all don't remember, then take a screenshot of this quickly. Take a screenshot of this If you all can't remember, or if you all want to refer, just take a screenshot of this. I'll tell you the work which you have to do after class. And make sure you all do these projects, or you all won't be getting the certificate for this course. By Code Club, they'll be giving you all a certificate name. If I don't give your name, they won't give you the certificate. So to make me give you all the certificate, to make me give your name, sorry, to make me give your name to print, you all have to upload these projects. That's why I'm giving a quiz also. I'm gonna see how much of you all actually in the group. In the group, there are oh, wait, how much are there in the group? Yeah, 70, around 70 members are there in the group, but only a few of them join the live class. So I'm gonna check how much of you all are in work. So I give certificates only to them. So take a screenshot. Are you all done? Okay, so wait, let me open my blank sheet. I'll tell what you all have to do. Look at here carefully. I'll tell what you all have to do basically. What's this blank sheet? I think it's used one. Ah, neat. Okay, fine. What class was this for? I think this is your last week's class. Oh no, this is the Saturday batch. Okay, now what you all have to do is first, I want you all to visit the website where you uploaded your practicals, code.learnwithammar.com. Then go to dashboard. As always, go to view HTML and search for your name here. Let's say, for example, who shall I take an exam as an example? Okay, I'll take myself even. Will you? I'll put Ammaar Ghani. If you type Ammaar Ghani, then you should be able to see all of the files which you have actually uploaded here. Okay, for example, if you are free, then you can type free and you can get all the projects which you have uploaded here. I want you all to open these projects. Okay, I want you all to open these projects and copy these links. First, I want you all to visit the visit the website. Then I want you all to copy links of your creations. Okay, copy links of your creations is the name now. Okay, once you copy the link of your creations, now in here you all uploaded me. This is a link to Google Kela, like that. For example, I'll open my project even. Then it will be an example. I think I have not uploaded much things there. So let's see. I'm searching for Ammaar Ghani, and I have my project here. I'll open this in new tab. I'll copy this link. Okay, I'll copy this link. Why is my internet slow? Am I audible enough for you? Or am I lagging? Wait. Okay. I want you all to copy this link here. I want you all to copy this link. Go here, paste this link like this in between the href tags, and in the text here, just type the project name. For example, this project, if you see, I have named it as Ammaar, text formatting day 2 Kela. So I can go here and type text formatting day 2. Then I can save this, and if I check it, it should look something like this. See, text formatting day 2 wala. Actually, it will be this size small. It will be something like this. Text formatting day 2. Then I want you all to upload this file. You can give the title as my projects. You can give the title as my projects and your name. And I want you all to upload this to the practicals website. It will get your what you all have to do for your assignment. Tell me, did you all get that part? I won't be telling this to you all again. recording, guys. If I have any doubts, send me a message. I'll let you all know. Okay. Next, before we move on to the quiz for the day, yeah, I want to paste all the projects. We have learned something called lists. This also I'll just explain to you all. You all can try the project after the class. I'll do the explanation to you all. First is you have two types of lists. One is a list like this. Let's say mango, orange, banana, apple. This is one type of list. Okay. And this is another type of list. I want you all to find the difference in between both of these. I hope all of you here can identify this basic difference. Exactly. You, the two types of list here, one is the one with the bullets, and the other is the one with the numbers. To create something like this, wait, first I'll tell you, you call these types of lists as an unordered list. I'll give it as UL, unordered list. Unordered list. Okay, that means unordered, not numeric, unordered. These types of lists are known as ordered list. OL. So I'll just show you all, I'll quickly create something for you all and show. Kalabala Vendepa. If you all don't understand, I'll actually explain it to you all again. I'll just name it as lists. I'll save this file. Ammaar Ghani. Okay. Now first type of list. I'm gonna create the first type of list. That's called the unordered list. UL. I told you. So we open a UL tag and we close the UL tag. Now to mention these things, mango, orange, banana, apple, to mention these things inside the unordered list, inside the UL, you have to use a code called li list. Open li tag and close the li tag. Always when you open a tag, you close the tag. Then our first element is going to be mango. Then what's our second element? What's the second element? Orange, banana, apple. So we're going to put orange, banana, apple. I'll save it. I'll open it. Can you see the list which I drew here has come here? So the difference here is these things. So these are the difference. So now let's say you want to make this to a numbered list. So simple thing. Copy the same thing. The UL key. I'll just leave that space here for you to understand it. Copy the same thing here. Copy the same thing. Paste it. And you'll have something called UL. Change this for OL. That's all you have to do. Now check your file and see. You all will get another list called the another list with numbers. Did you all get that part? This is your code. Actually, this is your code. You all can take a screenshot of this, do it later, and upload it in the website before tonight or tomorrow. Now you all have 5 minutes remaining till I give till I start the quiz. I start the quiz around 6:35 maybe. You all can go through all of your previous codes. In screenshot in PC, Windows print screen. If you are on a PC, it's Windows print screen. I think if you are on a laptop, you will have to press Windows F1 then print screen. Just try something and see it will work. Okay, take a screenshot of this code, and now you all have if I start the quiz at 6:35, you all have 10 minutes time. I'll send the quiz link in WhatsApp as well as in the Google Meet chat. You all can go through all of the previous codes, the paragraph code, images, CSS, hyperlinks, lists. You all can go through all of the previous codes and get an idea of what you all have studied until now. Some questions will be based on the practicals which we did now, and the other questions will be based on theory, based on the very first theory which I taught you all on the day one. Web designing, web development, those parana theory, those ones will be a question. So perfect. So you all have 9 minutes time on the clock. You all can use that time for anything. I'll tell you all the quiz structure. Then we are going to start. If you all have doubts in the meantime which you all want to ask before the quiz, you can ask in the chat box and I'll explain it to you all. You all have 9 more minutes. Okay. Link posted in WhatsApp. Link posted in Google Meet. Okay, let me bring it here. Here, Rajni is in the game. Rajni is the first guy to join. I'll explain you all the structure of the quiz a few minutes before we start the session. Just 6 more minutes. Meanwhile, if you all have doubts, you all can ask because this is the last day I'm gonna meet you all in this course. Make sure you go well through your what day one. You all have understood the theory well. You all can do this. Can I upload my codes at tonight 11 p.m.? Yes, you can. Guys, I'm audible. Can someone confirm that I'm audible? I had a small call. You can see my screen and I'm audible, right? Please confirm me with that. I don't want any interruptions during the quiz. Can't all hear me? Can they? Shit, shit. Hurry. 3 minutes more. You all want more time? Or shall I start now? Sorry, 1 minute more. You all want more time? Wait, 16 people are in the meeting. Only 11 are there in the quiz. Is it wrong with my system or your something? Can anyone confirm if you all are there in the quiz and your name is not displayed here? Maybe my network got stuck for some time. Maybe because of that. Jam calls. Hi, hi, miss. Okay, time's up. Does anyone need more time to join or shall I start? Ah, there are 13 people, right? Refresh and see. Voice is talking now. Oh, okay, I have an internet. Oh, there are 15 men. 60 Japan team units. You can, if some of your Corona friends are living in Japan, just tell me. Tell them to give me a 60 connection units, please. Okay, I'll give you all a few more minutes. Some of you are asking time. I'll give you a few more minutes. After is my voice okay now? Or is it still stuck in? Oh, wait. My network is very bad. Why is that? Now, okay. Wait, I cancelled the first thing. Give me a second recording, guys. I'll turn on this thing. Okay. I hope I'm audible enough better now. Ghani, refresh this shit again. Okay. So is there anyone of you all who wants to join? Or shall I start? Just confirm me. Because last time when I started, some of you all told you are not ready, Gala. Okay, I hope all of you are ready. None of you all told me that you are not ready. So I'm starting in the countdown. Okay, wait, I didn't explain you all. Sorry. So you all will be having 25 questions. Okay, 25 solid HTML and CSS questions. Questions are not hard. Questions are not hard at all. They are very easy questions. But the catch is that you must read. If you have a reading and understanding capability, you can answer some of the questions. But some of them, what I do, some of the questions are very easy. You all can just answer in a few seconds. The challenge is that it doesn't matter whether you get the answer. It matters whether you get the answer correct. But let's say all of you got the answer correct. Let's say all of you got the answer correct. Now to arrange it between the first, second, third, what you guess use is the time. The time you use to answer the question will also be your points. Now let's say after doing this, our Unes guy got around out of 100 points. Let's say Unes got 3 points here. No, 3 is not the minimum. Minimum 0 points. Let's say Unes studied hard and let's say he got 8 points or something. Then uh, your profile page in the website is under development. For now, I'll show it to you all. This will be a profile page. Don't worry, there will be a profile icon here. And can't hear her. Can you hear me, nice? You all can hear me? Can you all hear me? Okay. So you all will be having a profile page like this. In the profile page, the points which you get for the exam will be posted here. Okay, the points you get will be posted. For example, if you get 100 points, the 100 points will come here. And I'll tell you all later what you all can do with the points. I still not decided. So basically, I will be getting points here. So now, let me start your quiz. Can't hear her. I, the chat is public, so make sure you post appropriately. Can you all hear me? Wait, some guys are telling you can't hear me. Can't hear her. Why? Wait. Yeah, I'm having problems today, man. Give me a minute. Check. See, badly. I also invest. Wait. Why can't you all hear me? Can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me now? Wait, I'll leave and rejoin. Wait, let me check. Can you all hear me now? Wait, can you all hear me now? Perfect. Finally. Shit. Wasting time on this shit. Okay. So now, nice in the not even. Okay. Go to your browsers and get ready. Let's see. I want someone to beat this nice guy. Let's see. Three, two, one, start. Enjoy. Nice. You guys are actually give you all the time to play. Just give me a few minutes. I'll give you all a time to play in 2 minutes. Next question. Leaderboard. Okay, we have Rifki. Last time also Rifki was highest. And if you all get to the top 3, I'll actually double your points. That's a gift for the top 3. If you all get in the top 3, your points will be doubled. If you get 100 points, you'll get 200. Next question. How are the quiz? The thing is finally someone on the top board. Okay, next question. After the 10th question, I'll give you all 5 minutes to break. Okay, the thing is clear on the leaderboard. Next question. Okay. Lisa is on the top, a new leaderboard winner. Next question. all can't answer this basic question. Rather than leaderboard, I want to see uh, hypertext markup makeup language. अरे makeup के लिए என்னது? Okay, good, good, nice. Next question. How was this question? Okay, check. This was a trap question to reduce your points. Nice, nice. Next question. This is again an easy question. Nice, nice. Let's in again. Last question before the interval. Huh. 10 questions are over. And Razeen, Isa, and Marshall have made it to the leaderboard. Now it's sharp 6:50. I'll give you all time till 6:55. Okay, those who are going to pray can go and pray and come. Others can remain in the meeting. Sharp 6:55. I will start the next question. Okay. Meanwhile, if you all are back, others can drop the feedback on how was the quiz, the first 10 questions. There are 15 more questions we'll be doing after 6:55. See you all after a short break. Bye bye. Back 6:55 here. If you all are alive and listening to me, drop me H in the chat box. Drop me an H in the chat box if you all are alive. Okay, Shahim is dead. Okay, Harry is alive. Okay, a lot of you. Shahim, I know when you're already dead. I still wonder. I still appreciate your uh, dedication to join my classes from the grave. Appreciate it. Very appreciate it. Okay, go to see if I'm alive. Not I'm done. Leaderboard. Epa. No, I'm not sure. You are Isa, you are in the leaderboard only, don't worry. Okay, let's start the next question. Go to your browser, get ready. The next question is in 3, 2, 1, enjoy. No change. Razin is maintaining the perfect lead. Wait, is there nobody to beat Razin? Next question. Whom you're learning IT from. Who is this Shamim Saur Muhammad? Is it Bossy Shine? Okay. Ade, which of the following is not a search engine? Isn't Google a search engine? Just now, when before half an hour, I told you how to search Google and get a link. Okay, next question. Nice. Next question. Only these 13 who are answering active, others already dead. I know. For sure. Changing the leaderboard. Finally. Rehab has come to the top 3. I don't want to say Rehab in the top leaderboard. Just kick him out. Next question. For the last 10 questions, how are you feeling now? Let me know about your thoughts. As a normal guy, nice guy. Why, Rehan? Why? Just, okay, this is your first quiz, mate. Okay. For the last 10 questions, shall I hide the leaderboard? No. For the last 5 questions, I won't be showing you all the leaderboard. So, next question. We have on the second place once again. Next question. Magazine. Okay. Next question. Nice. Nice, nice. Next question. Marshall on the top again. After is also coming. Easier. Okay, next question. This is the last question I'll be showing on the leaderboard. How to answer the questions? Tisandu, you can join this link and it will show you. It's an MCQ. It will show you 4 answers. Then you can click on the right answer. Free is I think I saw a free on the leaderboard. Next question. Next question. But it is, I feel so sorry for these bloggers, man. See here. Next. She. Sorry. Next question. Next question. Can't hear me again. Can't you hear me again? Can you hear me? So, last question. There are 25 participants here, and this is the 25th question. Are you all ready for the last final question and see who has made the leaderboard? Last question might be either an easy one or a hard one. Good luck for your last try. Enjoy. I think there's a small leak there. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. You all can either come back to Google Meet or you all can stay in the web browser and check in the quiz. And the winners of our quiz for today is congratulations to the team for taking the first place. We have Rifki and Hashim for taking to the second place. Congratulations, all three of you. And let me check the results. Razin has scored 92 points correctly. So as I told, the top three will be getting their points doubled in the website. So Razin will be getting 92 into 2, 184. 184 points in his website. Rehab 152 points and Hashim 144 points. Others will be getting the points which displays here 76, 80 again. Actually, if you see here, there's a big difference between the first and second. Razin, it was Very clean shot. Well done. Very well done. So these are your results if you all want to see. There's a Shaheen guy. Is he there? Morning. So these guys who haven't even tried will get Mukavanta. Okay, so this is he's 11, yeah. Shaheen. Is he this? Is he Shaheen Saur? No, I think I thought he was Shaheen Tasin. Oh no no. Isn't he Shaheen Tasin? Afri. Where's Afri? Afri, Afri. Where are you? Where are you? Did you give your name something as short film here also? Yeah, I can't see Afri. Did you do the quiz? I can remember his name. No, Afri, I don't see your name here. Is there an internet connection issue on your site or something? Check if in your screen you should have. I lost my connection. That's why. I think because of your question. Actually, this is the last day I'm gonna meet your through the ZCC Code Club session. Is Afri 9? Yeah. See. Muhammad Arafat Afri. Yeah, here. Thank you, Amjad. I actually don't know your full names. You're here, Afri. You have 64 points. Okay, so this is the last day. I'm probably going to meet you all in the web designing course of ZCC Code Club. So to make it memorable and a enjoying session, I hosted a special quiz today. And to award you all, I'll be adding your points to the website too later, not now. I'm busy with my examinations. Later, I'll tell you all away, tell you all something which you all can do with your points. Also, now what you all have learned is, wait, let me open a blank sheet. Now, what you all have learned in this course is the basics of HTML and CSS to suit a level, because in school they instructed me to host this course to suit a level for grade 6 to 9 students. Sorry, not grade 6 to 9. I think they told me to do it for grade 7 to 9 students. Okay, but I went further, and some of the things which I thought are not even there in the grade 11 O level syllabus. Some of the things which I thought all are not even the CSS advanced things, the mobile responsive things, they are not even available in the grade 11 syllabus. So I have taught you all some points which are advanced than a grade 11 student, and some points which suit to this level. Some of you all in this level might find it difficult, but it's actually for you all to get a good knowledge in the web designing industry. Now, if you all ask me, with this certificate which I get from ASCII, the quiz is actually over a few minutes before. So if you all actually ask me what you all can actually do with this certificate which you all get from the code club, you all can actually use this certificate. Not it's not a degree or something. You don't think you all have completed a web designing degree or something. Kela. This is just an introduction to web designing. If you all want to improve your skills much into this web designing and development field, what you all can do is brush up your skills which you actually learned here. Brush your skills. Okay, how to do that? Now, actually, you have learned a few HTML codes. You can visit a website called W3 Schools. This is a website which is perfect for you to learn any coding. I don't think any coding language. There are most of the coding language. HTML is there, CSS, JavaScript. These are the three codes which are required for web designing. And there are a few other codes like PHP, SQL, and those things you use it to very Django over here. Those things you use it to learn web development. I hope you all know the difference between web design and development from the first day of the class. So you all can actually use these websites to learn something and create something yourself. I don't recommend you all to directly take a template, edit it. There are no code tools. You can create a website. Let's say you can go to wix.com, WordPress, something, and create a website without coding. But that doesn't actually give you all more skills. You all can actually create websites. But creating it using coding develops your skills and give you all logical thinking, like to solve a problem. So first thing you all can do is brush up your skills in these fields. Then if you all face any questions, now let's say you're programming something and you all face an issue, the best solution I would give you all is to use Google. There are many resources like ChatGPT and stuff, Gemini, Bing, Copilot, okay, lots of things are there, AI tools. But I always recommend you to use Google. Each and every time, let's say now you studied PHP and you have PHP issue called PHP, let's say date time issue. If you go and search it in Google, you will get results here. The best website you all can get advice is from Stack Overflow. Okay, you all can get advice from a website called Stack Overflow. Learn, research, do lots of research. Search every and learn something. So that is what will actually make you more skilled in this field. When you take me, actually, I started developing websites in grade 11. Sorry, grade 7. When I was in the corona time, I started developing small websites. I only had a plain empty website like this, a blank white website. And after that, I was actually busy in learning other coding languages, so I left off the web development for some time. So grade 10, I came back. I referred to what I had done previously. I brushed up my knowledge, and I was able to make advanced websites like this. This is not actually much advanced. I must add more features to this. I don't have time because I have my examinations in a few months. So that's why I kept this in a pending situation, but it's almost done. You'll be getting a profile page within a few hours or days. If I have time today, I'll fix it today and I'll add your points in a while. Lisan ethically can. You can do it ethically. So that's how you all have to actually develop your skills. Don't stop from here. If you are actually are interested in web development, it's a very interesting field. You can actually uh, watch YouTube, Google anything, and learn to develop a better website than what I develop now. Okay, so if you all have any thoughts or questions to tell me in the last day, the last few minutes, you all can tell me. Others can leave. Hope you all enjoyed and understood the session and the whole course during this 4 weeks time. See you all again later. Bye bye. If you all have any questions, you all can ask. Others can leave. Barakallah. Yeah, certificate. You will be getting a certificate. Bye bye. Actually, if you all are really interested, there will be some other classes here adding eventually. If you all stick to the website, we did a scratch time class on an ongoing advanced. The website is going. Bye bye. You can actually learn something for that. Some the hacking is not stick to a language. If you know what is hacking, you won't ask me what language is best to use for hacking. The Kali Linux is an operating system, but yeah, you can join. It's free. You can join. Kali Linux is an operating system. What actually matters is how you use that operating system. And hacking, you can't do it illegally. You must do it in legal locations. For that, first become 18 plus value. Then we'll talk. Thank you. Thank you. Ade, in this age, you all need this. Ayan, every time you're asking me for the codes, do you think something is written here? Like, why did I do this for this class? To make your code, not for myself to code and copy and paste your the code. Here they are recordings. If you go to the recordings page in the website and go to web designing, SLCC code club, there's week one, week two, week three recording. And today night I'll be uploading a week four recording here. So you can watch all those four recordings, learn the code, go to this website, learn more coding, and develop your own website. Don't copy the code. Thank you, Hari. Isa. I'll actually steal your account first. After that, you will not ask how to steal others' accounts. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. I think certificate you all will be getting on October or November. October end. I think October end they are having the Codex competitions. After competitions, I think the Codex main event in the function they will be giving you all the certificate. I hope. Talk it with Ashraf sir and the president and other guys regarding the certificates. I'm just here to teach you. Rivana, wait, Rivana, I'll check whether you have. Actually, I'll check whether you have done the practicals and active in the class. President is Jasmine. I'm the secretary. But Rivana. Rivana, none of your projects are there. Wait. Tell your name, man. I think you're joining from some other account. Shamim. Okay. You're that Shamim. Okay, yeah. For sure, you'll be getting. Your projects are here. I'll check all of them and I'll be giving a name. What about others? Do you have any questions? Okay, I think all of you all are done asking your questions. If you have further inquiries, you all can get back to me in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining the session. Bye bye.